Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk more about unit tests, more specifically window location mocking. I was using window in one of my JS or TS files and I saw this error while mocking them, cannot read properties of undefined, reading ends with. I've resolved the issue and thought of sharing it here. Hope it reaches out to you, and if you're facing similar problem, you can resolve it easily. Let's get this started. First thought that comes into mind is to simply mock window.location. However, if you're using TypeScript, this will not work. If you're using JS, this will not show you this type error, but it will show you error while running the unit test. Now, I'm going to use object.defineproperty on window for location. And as a third attribute, you need to pass the value of location. Value in this case, for me, I wanted to pass the search parameter. So let's just say for the demo purpose, the search path is test. You can also provide other options like host name, domain, and all other parameters that are something that you want to mock in your unit test. For me, I'll just use search. Save it. And I'm pretty sure when you're writing a real unit test case, you will do more with it. But for now, I will just expect that window.location.search is mocking correctly to equal test. Save it, go back to my terminal, and here npm test index. As you can see, this test is passed successfully. I want to add one more thing before we end this video that you need to keep in mind is once you define a property for a window, this is going to stay with it unless you clear it out. So for example, if we want to test a different search path in a different unit test, this is not going to clear it out. So let's say in the second unit test, I changed the search and I expect the search parameter to be changed. You will see when we run test, this is going to fail. There's a simple fix to this. What you need to do is set this property as writable when you are overriding it for both the unit tests. Once you do that, that means it allows other unit tests to rewrite this property, rerun the test. They should be successful now. Last but not the least, don't forget to reset your search property or any attribute that you're overriding here in after all or after each. So don't forget to write after all script where you're resetting this window or location or any attribute that are overriding in the unit test. Like this. If you're facing similar issue, let me know in the comment section. I hope it helped. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel.